Katunat Arts and Culture ke Khuborjylla, kala penlong ya ke Lympung Shad Lympung Tem. Rasong National Tribal Music Festival Hajar Arpusan, kabala sedang haka arpun riu terik jeliu, batkut haka arpun nyau terik, ha susu tham auditorium State Central Library Shillong. Ubak pol ulayat hu hakilat patai Khubor, ba uladap da kejingkemen ban penlong ya kani ke Lympung, hakabala wan ban shimbenta da ki Nongrwai Nongput Nongtem bat Nongshad na ki khat artli ki jilla jongkari India. Ki riu lum bat ki rit pat na keleng ki jilla jongkari India, ki lawan lang krui ha Shillong ban lek kemen bat ban peni perthai yala ki dustur ki riti lengba ka Rwai ka siau ka put ka tem bat ka shad ka kemen. Ubak pol ulaong ru ka sorkar Meghalaya kala rai ban kentiu bat kersan ya ka jing penroy ya ki dustur ki riti ba kerpang jong ki jaj penriu ki basyong basa ha ka ne ka jilla. Ulaong ka jingwan lang krui jong ki nongput nongtem bat ki Nongshad Nonggrwai ka pen isai kedar ya ka spa ba koridor jong ki rit pat ha ka ne ka ri ba kraw. Ka sorkar kan yai penslur ya kum kini ki Lympung ha ki snem banwan.
Rasong 2025 Festival inaugurated. Thank you, the Khubor. Far to be part of this two-day National Tribal Music Festival 2025 named Rasong. For me, and I believe as Mr. Lapisan has just shared his experiences traveling to Shillong,
finds the drive very wonderful, but I can also assure you that the more you travel into the interiors of Meghalaya, the more you will discover why these hills are alive with the sound of music. When you first see the opening shot of the movie, The Sound of Music, the hills of Switzerland and of Austria bear a striking resemblance to the natural beauty of Meghalaya. So welcome to Meghalaya, the home of nature, culture, cuisines, customs, and crafts. For me, the word Rasong reminds me of a book, a collection of essays on the young Rasong by Rwai, a volume that speaks of the wealth of our culture, of our practices, and of the communities that reside and are the proud inheritors of these hills. Today, as we celebrate tribal music, let me remind each one of you that to a tribal, music is intrinsic. Music is in our DNA, and therefore we celebrate it day in and day out. There is a saying that music washes from the soul the dust of everyday living. I've just come from a function where we also celebrated the International Day Against Drug Trafficking and Addiction. A very serious topic. As proud inheritors of these hills, we will continue to make music. We have made rapid strides. Today, just last year, we have adopted the state anthem, one of the few states in the country to have its own anthem. I urge for all musicians to keep in mind, bear in mind, that music is not just a hobby, a pastime, or a profession. It should be a passion. It should transform you into the human being you are supposed to be. And I wish the today festival the very best. I also would like to urge upon visitors who have come from other parts of the region and the country to enjoy the natural beauty of Meghalaya, to see for yourself how this ancient land has so much to offer, and I'm sure that if you visit one very close tourist destination like Lympung, Canyon, I'm sure that will inspire you to write a song or two of your own. Thank you.
And across India, 5.2 metric tons of pineapples go to Rwai hub, process 680 metric tons, generating rupees 1.15 crores, supporting exports to the European Union for baby food. Investments of rupees 5.88 crore have strengthened the industry. With working capital and marketing credits, farmers' income have risen by up to 120%, benefiting over 5,000 families. With the help of initiatives like Mission Organic Value Chain, developing the Northeast region, Meghalaya's time-honored crops of Meghalaya. A land where agriculture isn't just a tradition that flows into the